Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. How are you, kids?
Happy sunshine, ma'am.
Happy sunshine. Happy sunshine, बेटा. विहान, बेटा ये सेकेंड वीक का क्लास नहीं है. इंग्लिश का क्लास नहीं है आपका.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning, बेटा. Good morning, everyone. Yes.
Third A class.
Yes, बेटा. This is third A class. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. मुझे लगा क्या ना आप थर्ड A की क्लास नहीं है वैसा बोल रही हो.
बेटा this is third A class.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am. क्या क्लास है?
Third A, बेटा this is third A class. Third A.
आपका क्लास तो भी है.
Oh wait, everyone please keep your mic off. Yes, आप कोई कुछ पूछ रहा. हाँ yes you बेटा मैंने वही कहा आपसे. थर्ड ए का क्लास है ये. आपका सेकेंड बी का क्लास नहीं है. इंग्लिश नहीं है ये बेटा. चेक करो अपना टाइम टेबल और मैम या सर की लिंक में ज्वाइन हो जाओ टाइम टेबल देख कर.
हाँ मन्नत ठीक है.
Okay everyone, so a very good morning to you. Happy sunshine everyone. I hope you all are doing very well.
Good morning, ma'am. Happy sunshine, ma'am.
Happy sunshine everyone. So if this is your computer class, so as you all know that we have completed our term 1 syllabus and now we are going to start revision so that जब आपका कंप्यूटर का पेपर हो आप बहुत ही अच्छे से कंप्यूटर में परफॉर्म करो. राइट. सो किड्स बिफोर स्टार्टिंग रिविजन लेट अस जस्ट डिस्कस कि कैसे मैं क्वेश्चंस को पूछूंगी so that you can come to know. Okay. So see everyone, we have 3 chapters in term 1 syllabus. In term 1 syllabus you have first 3 chapters, chapter number 1, 2 and 3. Now in that आपको questions जो है बेटा वो थोड़े से टेक्स्ट बुक एक्सरसाइज के होंगे एंड थोड़े से जो है वो चैप्टर में से होंगे. बट आपको आ जाएंगे बिकॉज अगर आपने प्रैक्टिकल अटेंड किए हैं, क्लासेस को रेगुलरली अटेंड किए हैं, देन यू विल बी एबल टू अटेम्प्ट योर पेपर. नाउ सी किड्स, अलोंग विद दिस जितने भी रिवीजन के क्लासेस हमारे होंगे उसमें मैं आपको क्विज़ेस दूंगी. आई हैव प्रिपेयर्ड some MCQs for you kids. So this that you will have to, जिसकी लिंक आपको क्लास वर्क होमवर्क का जो आपको डॉक्यूमेंट आता है उसमें भी मिल जाएगी एंड जो क्लास की रिकॉर्डिंग में सेंड करूंगी उसमें भी होगी. So from that आपको वो क्विज को अटेंड करना है ताकि आपको आइडिया रहे कि कंप्यूटर के क्वेश्चंस कैसे होंगे फॉर योर एक्स्ट्रा प्रैक्टिस. ओके. सो देयरफॉर दैट फॉर योर एक्स्ट्रा प्रैक्टिस आई विल गिव यू क्विजेस जिसके मार्क्स भी आपको उसमें दिख जाएंगे. ओके एवरीवन. सो दैट इज व्हाट आई हैव प्लान फॉर योर रिवीजन. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट अस स्टार्ट विद रिवीजन ऑफ चैप्टर नंबर 1. गुड मॉर्निंग बेटा. Okay, so now everyone please keep your mic off. Okay, turn off your mic. And if you want to ask anything to me, अगर आपको कुछ भी मुझे पूछना है, if you want to say something, then I would request कि आप मैम लिखे चैट बॉक्स में. Okay, just don't turn on your mic and say anything. Right, मैम?
तो अभी मैम मयूक का पीरियड किसका है? अभी तो तुम्हारा नहीं है मैम. 10 बजे
मेरा नहीं है. नो मैम, 10 o'clock आज अभी मेरा नहीं है. मेरा सेकेंड बी में लास्ट क्लास है आज. 11:40 है मेरा.
अभी क्या होगा युग का? तो
मैम वो भी मुझे भी याद नहीं है, एग्जैक्टली याद होता है टाइम टेबल में.
टाइम टेबल में तो आपका ही है मैम.
तो मैम तो दूसरे सेकेंडरी के भी बच्चे होते ना उसमें, कोई सेकेंडरी का कोई नहीं है इसके अलावा, सारे थर्ड के ही है बच्चे.
ओके, थैंक यू मैम.
ओके ओके, वेलकम. Thank you, I have that. Okay, so let us start with our chapter number 1. So see, kids, our chapter 1 is how computers work. So from this chapter you learn that which are the parts of computer, main parts कौन से हैं, other parts कौन से हैं. Along with parts we did IP or titles, yes, functions of them. Then we did CPU, what is a CPU, CPU क्या है, वो कौन से functions perform करता है, units of CPU. Then after units we did IPO cycle, that is the main thing, of main work of CPU, that how our computers will work. Okay, then we did characteristics and uses of computer. So now let us start with the first part, that is computer is smart machine. So see kids, as you all know that we call computer a smart machine. We call computer a smart machine because it can do many different kinds of jobs. दूसरे machines जो होते हैं, they can do only one or two types of jobs. But when we talk about computer, it can perform many functions. It has many uses. Yes, yes. Yes. Yes, yes. Page number is 1, beta. Our chapter number 1, how computers work. That's why I have written over here also, so that you can see. That is chapter 1, page number 1, computers, the smart machine or a smart machine. Okay, so as it can do many different kinds of jobs, we call computer a smart machine. After that, we have parts of computer, which are parts of computer. So computer has many parts, but main 4 parts. So see, please note this line. There are 4 main parts of a computer, that is CPU. CPU is a short form of Central Processing Unit. C for Central, P for Processing, and U for Unit. So it is CPU, Central Processing Unit. CPU. So the page number 1. Okay, so CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. CPU is also called brain of the computer. CPU जो है, जैसे कि in our body we have brain over here, right? वो हमें किसमें help करता है? We can remember things. When you see, you can identify things. See, for example, when you see your computer book, this, so you identify it. आप ऐसे identify कर लेते हो that this is my computer book. That is because your brain helps you to do this. Yes. So that is done by your brain. So in a similar way, CPU is the brain of the computer. CPU कंप्यूटर का ब्रेन है, वो हेल्प करेगा उसे चीजों को आइडेंटिफाई करने में, प्रोसेस करने में, मेमोरी सेव करने में, इन दैट थिंग. देन कीबोर्ड. ओके, मंथ बोर्ड की आप प्लीज टेल मी बेटा, व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ अ कीबोर्ड?
Keyboard uses to type the letters, numbers.
Yes. And special symbols. Very good, man. Very good, beta. Yes. So with the help of a keyboard, we can enter numbers, letters, and special symbols into our computer. This is second part. Now third part of a computer is a mouse. It is a mouse. A mouse has two buttons and one scroll wheel. So mouse is a pointing device. बेटा प्लीज कीप योर माइक ऑफ. मैंने आप सबके माइक ऑन इसीलिए रखे हैं so that I can ask questions to you and you can give answers to me. Please keep your mic off, everyone. Yes, Javier, do you want to say something? You are raising your hand. First of all, sit properly. Sit properly. This is your class. आप अपना क्लास ऐसे सोचे सोचे अटेंड नहीं कर सकते हो. Sit straight. Sit straight. Yes.
Ma'am, how is it internet controlled outer space?
Outer space. We do not
Like
have
internet. How is internet controlled?
Like what? How? What do you want to
How
say?
is
I am not getting your point.
Internet come to the earth?
By
How
signal.
does internet come?
It is produced by optical fibers. कुछ optical fibers होते हैं जिससे वो प्रोड्यूस होता है and then with the help of signals की हेल्प से इंटरनेट हमारे फोन में, लैपटॉप में, कंप्यूटर्स में और दूसरी जगहों पर कनेक्ट होता है. With the help of signals, you cannot see the signals, but one of the signal might be passing from here only. Okay? And how you will such questions if you have, I would request you to keep those questions at the end of the class so that we can complete revision of chapter number 1. Yes, with the help of satellite.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
आपका वॉइस नहीं आ रहा.
So is that for everyone? Are you able to hear my voice? Please write yes or no in the chat.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I guess मैंने आपसे ये कहा to write yes or no in the chat box. मैंने ये नहीं कहा है that turn on your mic and tell me. Write yes or no in the chat box if you are not able to hear me. If you are able to or not able to hear me. Okay, so you can hear me. Okay. Princy, beta, do one thing, leave and then again join. Then you will be able to hear because others are able to hear me. Then after that we have mouse. Mouse is a pointing device. Mouse is a pointing device that will help us to select and to open any item into our computer. And the last part is monitor. So monitor is the screen. Whatever work we do on our computer, that we can see on the monitor. So every work that we do, that we can see on the monitor. Okay, so that is what, these are the 4 main parts. We have 4 main parts, that is CPU, brain of a computer, keyboard, mouse and monitor. Now after that, we have other parts of computer as well, like printer. So printer helps us to do what? Bhavika, tell me, what does a printer do?
Ma'am, printer is
Okay, so it will print any pictures and text. जो भी हमारे कंप्यूटर में written things हैं and जो pictures है, so that can be printed with the help of a printer. Very good. Now another part is microphone. Javier, you tell me, what does a microphone do? Microphone क्या करेगा? Javier Joshi.
A microphone, if you speak in a microphone will make sound by the help of the speaker.
Okay. Then, what is the another use? So with the help of a microphone, you can record sounds and any sound into your computer. You can record any sound with the help of a microphone. Okay, that is it. Now speakers, earphones and headphones. Brinty, tell me, ये पार्ट क्या करेंगे?
कौन सा मैम?
Speakers, earphones and headphones.
ईयरफोन हमको जब आवाज नहीं आता तब हम ईयरफोन, फिर हेडफोन और स्पीकर जब हमको डांस और म्यूजिक करना है तो वो यूज कर सकते हैं.
So as you can hear voice, है ना, कोई भी साउंड है वो उसकी हेल्प से सुन सकते हो. So your answer should be as such that we can listen to music or any other sound with the help of earphones, speakers and headphones. Very good, beta. Now
Thank you,
after
ma'am.
that, okay, yes. Now after that we will discuss about CPU. CPU, that is, as I said, it is central processing unit. माहिर बेटा, मैंने शायद ये कहा था that if you want to say something, please write मैम in the chat box. मैं जब कुछ एक्सप्लेन कर रही हूँ तो बीच में माइक ऑन करके प्लीज मैम ऐसा मत बोलो. Yes, Mahil.
CPU is a brain of a computer.
Yes, it is a brain of the computer. Yes. Okay. So CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. So in CPU, for CPU we have 3 units to perform various functions. Yes, man. Yes, man.
मैम आप लिख रहे हैं वो हमें लिखना है.
No, beta, no. This is just for your revision. No need to write. Just understand. Okay, chalo. So the first unit of CPU is ALU. That is arithmetic and logic unit. What does ALU do? Yes. So as it is arithmetic, that is calculation. So with the help of ALU, we can perform various arithmetic calculations, that is mathematical calculations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. And it will also perform comparisons between numbers. We can also compare numbers with the help of ALU. Then after ALU, we have memory unit. Memory means whatever the things that we remember. Okay, so in a similar way, whatever things we enter into our computer, it is also remembered by our computer. That is, sorry, what? Yes, it will remember it. It will store it. Okay, so everything that we give to a computer, it will be stored in memory unit. So it will store data and instructions that we give to our computer. Okay, and now last is control unit. Delete. No, it will remain. If you don't delete it, then it will remain. The files you are talking about, right? Then it will go. Yes. And now last unit is control unit. So control unit will control the working or the parts of our computer. So दूसरे सारे parts है उसका working है. That is being controlled by control unit. So these are 3 units of computer, that is of CPU, that is arithmetic and logic unit, memory unit and control unit. So in this you can be asked a question as such आपको ऐसा क्वेश्चन आ सकता है that which of the following is not a unit of CPU. फिर 4 options होंगे. 3 will be this and another will be some different option. So please read your question properly and then give answer. So that is the 3 units of CPU. After this we will see working of, that is how computers work. Okay, so I want Mahil to give answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Mahil, a computer works on which cycle? On which cycle does a computer work?
मैम आपकी वॉइस स्लो आ रही है.
अब स्लो आई. Now it came slow. अब तक आपको अच्छे से सुनाई दे रहा था? Yes? Question स्लो सुनाई दे रही है. I asked, on which cycle does a computer work?
Ma'am, I know.
Yes,
I can say.
Yes, you can say.
Ma'am, computer works in IPO cycle.
Very good, yes. Computer works on IPO cycle. It will work on IPO cycle. Here I means input.
Input.
P is what? Process. P is process and O means
Output.
very good. Yes. So IPO. So computer works on input, process and output. So इसका meaning क्या है? Input means the data and instruction that we give to a computer. क्या work हमें करना है? Whatever. You can keep your pencils down. We don't need pencils today. So data, input means data and instruction. तो जो भी वर्क हम चाहते हैं कि हमारा कंप्यूटर करे, ओके, so that is input for our computer. So in input, as input, we give data and instruction to our computer. Then according to data and instruction, according to this, now our CPU will process it. अब CPU उससे processing करेगा, that is it will work on that. And after that, after processing, we will get the result. हमें result मिलेगा and that result is called output. That is called an output. Any one of you at a time? Yes. That batter you need to keep into your oven. Cake. So cake is your output. Yes. So that will be input. Processing. And this is output. Yes, very good. So that is our computer will also work on IPO, input, process and output cycle. Okay, so that is, as input we have data and instruction, then CPU will process it and then we will get output. Now see, let us revise this with the help of an example. So if I want to perform 20 plus 5, I want to add 20 and 5. Yes. So I will enter these numbers into my computer. So my data will be, मेरा data क्या होगा? These numbers. These numbers are my data. So data is 20 and 5. Then instructions I will give. क्या करना है मुझे इन दोनों को? Add. I want to add this number. So my instruction will be add. And then it will process. So this is input. Then now processing will be done. So process will be 20 plus 5. And output. What output output will I get? Yes, everyone. Yes, online kids, online students, those who are attending online class. What will be my output, kids? Data मैंने enter किया 20 and 5. Instruction I gave is add. Add this number. And then processing is 20 plus 5. So what will be my output? Not even second. Even it will take less time. Yes, very good, Dhyani. That means कि online class में सिर्फ ध्यानी attend कर रही है अच्छे से. What are other 16 students doing? I am talking about online class. Yes, very good. That is output will be 25. Now see kids, in your exam again such questions can be asked. This would be given. Not ये number नहीं है, it is कुछ और. It can be subtraction also or multiplication also. And then you would be asked that अगर मुझे ये perform करना है, if I want to calculate this, then what will be my data? Or it can be asked what will be the instruction. So read your questions properly and please understand this. Yes, in understand करना बहुत ही important है. Do anyone of you have any doubt in this?
No.
That is in IPO. You are smart kids. Okay. So after this, okay. So हमने ये रिवाइज किया that as input we give data and instruction. So for entering data and instruction, अगर हमें कंप्यूटर में इनपुट करना है, if you want to enter input, so for that we need what? Data. With the help of what you can enter data and instruction? No. Can you get you think? Okay, let's ask someone from the online class. मुझे यहाँ से तो आंसर मिल जा रहा है. Yes, भाविका. No, भाविका. Sorry. अंश दर्जी. अंश.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Ansh, beta, please tell me, if I want to enter data and instruction into my computer, what would I need? मुझे किस चीज की जरूरत होगी अगर मुझे इनपुट देना है मेरे कंप्यूटर में, that is data and instruction देना है तो?
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
My voice is not clear. Now is it clear?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so आपने ये सुना that I say, is my voice clear now? Is my voice clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
so my
ma'am.
question is, my question is, to enter data and instruction into my computer, if I want to enter data and instruction, what would I need?
Ma'am, I don't know.
You don't know?
Ma'am, my
Why?
book is not here. My book is at school.
Okay, so but हम ये first time थोड़ी कर रहे हैं बेटा. This we have already completed. We are just revising. This is not for the first time that we are doing this. Army Babarwa. Next. ध्येय भालोड़िया. ध्येय भालोड़िया.
मैम.
बेटा सेम क्वेश्चन. Wait, Arni joined. Yes, Arni.
Question, मैम.
आर्मी ने वापस ज्वाइन किया. यस आर्मी. आर्मी are you sleepy? Are you sleepy? Okay. See, to enter data and instruction we need the material. We need what? What? To enter data and instruction we need input devices. डेटा एंड इंस्ट्रक्शन वो क्या है? इनपुट है हमारे कंप्यूटर का. तो इनपुट एंटर करने के लिए भी नीड इनपुट डिवाइसेस. वेरी इजी. सिर्फ सोचना था. लॉजिकल क्वेश्चन इज इट परफॉर्म्स arithmetic calculation. You cannot enter, and it is in CPU. So it will process it. It is a processing unit. So input devices, and so with the help of input devices, we can enter data and instruction into our computer. So input devices are keyboard, mouse, then scanner, trackball, webcam. These all are input devices. So with the help of them, you can enter data and instruction into your computer. Now input devices as they will help us to enter inputted instructions. Now result, we will get result on, that is on output devices. Yes. So output devices. So here we can enter input and output devices. With the help of output devices, we get output. We get output with the help of output devices, that is monitor, printer, then speakers, headphones, earphones. They all are output devices. वो सारे ही output devices हैं. Now after input and output devices, we have characteristics. 4 characteristics of a computer. So because of 4 characteristics, computers are very easy to use. They are very useful to us. First is large storage. A computer can store large amount of data. बहुत ही कितने भी सबसे ज्यादा storage उसकी होती है, that you can store your data. Yes, it depends on, yes. Then fast speed. Speed of computer to work on any particular thing is really very good. So when you just enter data and instruction, it will give you output. So it is really very easy and very fast. What? Yes, sometimes even less than that. Yes. Now no mistake. Yes, then it will take some time. Now no mistake. That is, it is errorless. Computer is errorless. That is, if you give correct input, that is, if you give correct data and instructions to your computer, it will give you correct output. Okay, so that is, it makes no mistake and many uses, and it has many uses. Now each student will tell me one use of computer. So let us start with this.
Monitor.
No, wait, मैं जिससे कहूँ वो बोलेगा बेटा. Yes, starting with ध्येय भालोड़िया. Yes, ध्येय.
Yes, ma'am.
One use of computer.
Computer use computer. We use computer because urgent work.
Like because नहीं पूछा है मैंने, why do we use computer नहीं पूछा है. I asked use of computer. कंप्यूटर का यूज क्या है, आप कहाँ कर सकते हो.
We use computer. Urgent
Yes,
work.
Like what? Urgent work, okay, but like what? कंप्यूटर जो भी करता है वो. Yes, we can.
मैम
We can play games.
Okay, yes, that is first one use of computer that you can play games. Okay, yes, yes. Next,
Ma'am,
second we
no, only one VA. सिर्फ एक ही है. Okay, now next है ना.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, one use of computer.
Yes, क्या ma'am?
Beta, this is for the third or fourth time I am repeating the question. Anyone use of a computer? No, beta, जिससे पूछा वही आंसर देगा. Anyone
ticket.
What?
For booking ticket.
Okay, to book online tickets. Okay, yes. Yes, very good.
In work of office.
Yes, we can work various things on. We can do kinds of jobs at the office. Yes, that is also correct. Wait, Jainam, बेटा सिर्फ एक ही कहा था ताकि दूसरे बच्चों को भी चांस मिले. ओके. यस फियोना. यस फियोना. तो अभी तक अपना वीडियो ऑन माइक ऑन. यस फियोना.
1 minute.
Okay, kids. So that is okay. Now next is Bhavika. Yes, Bhavika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Computer. Computer. Laptop.
Computer.
TV and TV movie.
What बेटा मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आया.
Ma'am, क्यों ना पता speak now? Because my network is not coming.
Okay, kids. So let's skip this much only for today. So yes, there are various uses of computers. Like we can write letters and messages. You can book online tickets. Okay, everyone. Now see, please, बेटा. Yes. एक बार चांस मिल गया था आप सबको. Now please don't do this. So I need to explain homework to you as well. So now everyone please listen to me. Then we can store information at offices, hospitals. Okay. Shopping can be done and various designers, they design their clothes, magazines on computer. ये कहिए किसका माइक ऑन है? मैं कब से बोल रही हूँ. Keep your mic off. भाविका सिन्हा. Okay. Then learn and teach. That is what we are doing right now, right? So that is it. These are some of the uses of a computer. Now your homework, everyone. So see kids, I have prepared one quiz for you that is of 15 marks. Yes. So that you need to attend. आपको आपके मार्क्स उसी टाइम पे you will be able to see your marks and आपके मार्क्स मुझे पहुंच जाएंगे. Okay. So as homework you have to do that. मैं आप सबके मार्क्स लिख के रखने वाली हूँ कि किसने अटेंड किया है. So each and every student should attend your test. Otherwise you will not be able to attend next computer class. उन्हें मैं डिस्कनेक्ट ही कर दूंगी. Next class you will not be able to. First listen to me and then you ask questions. First listen to me.
In homework we have to do quiz.
Yes. So that you need to attend. और जिसने अटेंड नहीं की होगी, मुझे ए डिवीजन में से अगर किसी एक बच्चे का भी नहीं आया होगा, जिसने मुझे क्विज अटेंड नहीं की होगी, he or she will not be able to attend next computer class. उन्हें मैं डिस्कनेक्ट कर दूंगी. Okay. So that is it. So now you can leave the class as your recess has been started. So bye bye kids. Have a nice day. Class.
Thank you, ma'am.